students, I am Mrs. Divya Soni from Ma Kalyanika Public School, Pendra. Today we are going to begin a new chapter that is on being an Indian. Students, are you proud of being an Indian? Yes, I am, because in my country it is very pleasant to live and my country has given me a lot. I find a peace of mind here. Everything that I need, I can find in this country itself. I don't need to go anywhere else. This is the feeling that most of our Indians have in their heart. Even now the 15th August is approaching, fast approaching here. We are having a great feeling for being an Indian. So similar is the feeling of Ruskin Bond, who has written this chapter. Students, let us begin this chapter. This is a short story extract written by the famous writer Ruskin Bond. It is an extract, it is a feeling, it is an emotion that Ruskin Bond, he was a short story writer. Okay, by race he was a foreigner, but he was born in India. He was brought up in India, his education was in India, his father was born in India, his father died in India. So, he considered himself to be an Indian. He always imagined how a person from India can go abroad and settle there for his lifetime. Is his country not calling him back? Is his feeling not calling him back? Is money is the whole thing that we must have in this life, not the peace of life? So, these are all the questions that were moving in his mind. Whose mind? Ruskin Bond's mind. Okay. Who at the most times is mistaken to be a foreigner, because by appearance, Ruskin Bond appeared to be a foreigner. Okay, so he was mistaken to be foreigner, but he was an Indian, and the most important thing is he considered himself to be an Indian. Okay. In this chapter, he wonders why some Indians are too eager to pack up and go off to some foreign land. And he wonders how a person can leave his motherland and move abroad. He cannot understand the reason. How can a person move from his motherland to some other land? Just for earning money, just for his ego, just for his ambition. How can a person move abroad from his country and serve there when a country has given him a lot of things? Okay. Ruskin's friend called him crazy. However, his friends call him crazy because he has been living in India. So, his friend called him crazy for not moving abroad and staying among palm fringed coasts or palm clad mountains. That means he was called crazy because he was living among the palm clad mountains, among the most beautiful mountains in the world. So, his friends called him crazy for not moving abroad and earning money there. Okay. He was extremely suspicious and afraid. Why he was suspicious and afraid? At the thought of going away, being unable to come back. He cannot thought of the feeling that he was afraid of thinking that how one can move from his motherland to some other land and not thinking of coming back. He was that much Indian in feelings, in emotions. So he was afraid to go from here because a lot of things he has got from this land. Okay. For him, birthplace is a place where you can find peace of mind. The most important thing for a man is the peace of mind. If you are not getting peace of mind, then money is of no use. It is true that you can gain many things from money, but not the peace It is the most important thing in life that a person should have is the peace of mind. Okay? Earning money is not everything, because earning money is not everything. If you are not having peace of mind, then what is the use of earning money? You earn money, you spend money just for your physical, but just for to satisfy your physical needs. Okay, but what about your mind? What about your soul? What about your inner conscience? When you cannot satisfy your inner conscience, then it is of no use of earning money. Okay. India is an atmosphere. It is not a country, but it is an atmosphere where one can gain a peace of mind along with earning money. We can also earn money in our country along with gaining peace of mind. Okay. Where over thousands of years we have seen many invaders have invaded India, whether it is Mughal, whether it is Portuguese, whether it is England. Okay. But we have adopted all the cultures, being an Indian. Okay. We have adopted all the cultures but not lost our culture. That is the most important thing. We haven't lost our culture. We haven't lost our tradition. But we have included all that things in our culture also. We have greeted them with the open arms. We have always told that Atithi Devo Bhava. For us, foreigner is also welcome to our country. Okay. So, we have adopted that. We have adopted that culture, that traditions along with our culture and traditions. We haven't forget our tradition and cultures. Okay. Races and the religion of the world have mingled. Mingled means came together. Okay. And produced that unique quality we have produced, which is only of its kind. No one country has the tradition and culture that is of ours. We have the unique culture. We have the marvelous culture and traditions. Okay. Indefinable phenomenon. That means which cannot be defined. The procedure that cannot be defined. From years and years, invaders came and invaded our country. But we have adopted them. Okay. The Indian, that is quite beautiful in itself. Indian name in itself is beautiful. Whenever in the world, when the name of India comes, it is of our pride. Okay. So, we are proud to be Indian. Our name in the world is of importance today because of our culture and tradition and because of our courage. Okay. For him, race did not make him an Indian, because previously I have told you that by race he was not an Indian, but his father as well as him also had born here and his father died here. So he was proud to be an Indian and he adopted the culture and he also vanished in this culture only. But history did and in the long run history counts. Because if we are making history, it counts because history only tell us about the previous time and the ancient time, what had happened and how it had happened and how we have adopted all the cultures and traditions of the foreigners and we have mingled it with our culture and tradition and made it a beautiful one, a unique one in this world. So students, always proud to be an Indian and always work for India so we can say proudly that we are an Indian. Thank you students.